Are you tired of spending hours copying data, writing repetitive content, or wrangling messy spreadsheets? You know that moment when you think there has to be a smarter way to do this? Well, there is. And it's called SheetMagic, an AI-powered tool that brings ChatGPT and other models directly into Google Sheets. Instead of bouncing between ChatGPT, spreadsheets, and scraping tools, SheetMagic lets you generate content, analyze data, and even pull live info from the web, all without leaving Google Sheets. Think of it as supercharging the tool you already use every day. Let's start with the obvious game changer, bulk AI content creation. Say you've got a list of keywords for your blog or dozens of products in your shop. Normally, you'd waste hours writing descriptions one by one. With SheetMagic, you just drop your prompt in a cell, drag it down, and boom! Unique AI-generated content for each item instantly. Next, let's talk about data analysis. If you've got a giant CSV full of customer reviews or survey responses, instead of manually reading through them, you can have SheetMagic summarize everything for you. In seconds, you'll know the top pain points, the most common feedback, or even sentiment scores, all laid out neatly in your spreadsheet. And here's something really cool. Built-in web scraping. OpenAI's data cuts off in 2021, but SheetMagic lets you pull real-time info from websites, search engines, or even page meta content. Perfect if you need live SEO data, headlines, or competitor info, without paying for extra scraping tools. Another feature I love is prompt chaining. You can connect prompts between cells, so your spreadsheet basically becomes an automated AI workflow. Imagine inputting a keyword in column A, having SheetMagic generate a blog outline in column B, and then expanding it into a draft in column C, all without lifting a finger. Now here's why this is worth paying attention to. Normally, tools like Jasper or Copy.ai charge you monthly, easily $40 to $100 a month. But with AppSumo's lifetime deal, you pay once, starting at just $69, and that's it. No recurring fees, no paying more as you scale up. And if you grab the higher tiers, you even unlock GPT-4, GPT-Vision, DALL-E for AI images, and access to 100+ AI models through OpenRouter. Quick heads up though, you'll need your own API key from OpenAI or OpenRouter. But the good news is, many models on OpenRouter are free, so you can still get a ton of value without spending extra. So, if you're tired of wasting hours on repetitive spreadsheet work and you want to unlock the full power of AI inside Google Sheets, definitely check out SheetMagic's lifetime deal while it's still live. I'll drop the link in the description for you, but don't wait too long because once it's gone, it's gone.